Okay, if I were looking at number one, the first thing I would probably say is, oh, it's an arithmetic problem, let me do that. And I don't think it's a bad arithmetic problem. But again, you may look at this and not know where to start. And that's if you don't, you watch the video and you see the answer and see if you can get there. Again, you may learn something by watching the video. You may not learn anything. You may look at that and say, it's just incomprehensible what you said. Also the work, you may learn something by looking at the work or reading through it. If you have questions though, you should always bring them to attention of someone who can answer those questions, all right? Number two, again, looking at it, it's a fairly easy read, by the way. I see what they're saying, I see what they're saying, I see what they're saying, by the way. And it says, find the value of b given that the graph of y equals f of g of x passes through to 0.46, and the domain and range of h of x. Again, if you need to, watch the video. If you can do it yourself, that's great, by the way. But the bottom line is, answers are put down here for you, and work is put down here. And I would say this is work that's sufficient to understand what the question is, all right? Let's go to the next one. The next one, this is a generic counting problem, usually covered along with the binomial theorem. I always say counting is the most difficult thing we're faced with in life, being able to count things, knowing how many things there are, all right? And I go over here, it says how many triangles can be formed by 20 points, 12 of which lie on one line, and the other 8 lie on another parallel line. The points must be the vertices of the triangle, all right? So again, little video over here, and then an answer over here, all right? Some work too. I mean, someone says, I don't understand what the work is. Watch the video, or maybe it's beyond your ability at this point. Maybe you want to go back and review the binomial theorem in counting, all right? This has something to do with the binomial theorem, by the way. So let's take a look at next one, number 4. And again, reading it, that the symbol over here, they have 26 binomials. Boy, that's a lot of binomials, isn't it? X minus A, X minus B. There's 26 letters in the English alphabet, though. So I'm seeing where this comes from, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way down to Z, by the way. And it says, how many terms does this have? And I guess they mean the expansion of that, all right? So the bottom line is you'd have to understand what that's asking you to come up with. And again, I post a video. I put a little work over here that you look through that. But again, I'm going to say it might be a very perplexing issue for you, all right? And hopefully it's not a perplexing issue for you, all right? Thank you. We go to the next. Oh, the next one is a related stage code. I think that was number 4. You know what? I probably should insert another question over here, and maybe I'll do that in the future. I just can't remember why there's only 4 there. But we'll get back to that. Don't worry about that. Thank you.